Hi everyone, today at Lord's we'll be focusing on using referrals to increase your customer number and revenue. We'll walk you through strategy and give you our top tips on how to optimize referrals in order to increase engagement. What you'll find is loyal customers are your secret weapon when it comes to cost-effective customer acquisition. Why? Well, referred customers have a 16% higher lifetime value than customers acquired by other means. With that being said, referrals don't happen near as often as they should. Even though 80% of customers are willing to make a referral after a positive experience, only 29% ever actually do. To solve this problem, we recommend regularly motivating your customers to make referrals with their friends and family. When done right, referrals can be invaluable to your business thanks to three things. One, is a win-win for all parties. Not only does your business get cost-effective marketing, but your customers get social validation for, recommending something that everyone loves, and the referred person gets a recommendation for a trusted source. Two, it builds trust in your brand. When a person has a good experience, they're likely to let their friends and family know about this. This builds a sense of trust between your brand and potential consumers. In fact, 92% of consumers trust recommendations from people they know, and 74% identify word of mouth as being a key influencing factor in their purchase behavior. Three, it creates buzz around your brand. If people are genuinely excited about your offering and are not being paid to advertise it, it's only going to hook the interest of consumers as they really want to find out what all the hype is about. A well-designed referral program that rewards both the referrer and the referee can contribute to building long-term loyalty, which is why we recommend a give and get scheme where both parties can see the benefits, which helps drive conversion. When customers feel appreciated and rewarded, they're more likely to remain engaged with a brand over a longer period of time. You also want to ensure your referral messaging matches with your brand. You want to ensure that it's a natural part of a customer journey, which is only going to increase the likelihood of them making a referral. You also want to start thinking about how you incorporate referral messaging into email strategy. You want to build prompts to remind customers of referral campaigns into emails you're already sending out. The post-purchase emails are in particular a great place to incorporate referral requests, given that customers just interact with your brand by making a purchase. Also consider utilizing our notification functionality to set reminders to encourage people to refer. You can run a referral notification on site that displays the customer post-purchase, which highlights the points they get, which they then use to redeem rewards or a successful referral. This instant call to action works effectively because customers are often happiest right after they make a purchase, which is why it's always good to target them at a high point. Also, it's important not to forget that customers left you a positive review are prime audience for referral campaigns. The review to referral emails are a fantastic mechanism for identifying customers who have already shown they're willing to be a brand advocate and motivated for even more positive action by making a referral. That's it for today. Thank you for listening to our top tips on using referrals to increase your customer numbers and revenue. Hopefully you've walked away with some inspiration on how to take your loyalty program to the next step. If you do have any questions around this, feel free to go to Help Center, which has some great content around referrals. Alternatively, reach out to our support team who we hand to assist.